what is a family tree? Family tree is a drawing or a chart that shows how the members of the family are related to each other. पुष्कराज, पुष्कराज अनम्यूट करो. हाँ, रीड करो. Read what is written on the screen. थोड़ा जोर से पढ़ो.
How the members of family are related to one another is called a family tree.
Okay. So what is a family tree? Mute Pushkaraj. What is a family tree? Family tree is a drawing or chart. एक तरह का chart रहता है in which it is shown how the members of families are related to one another. उनका relationship. In that family tree we show the relationship which are shared by the family members. Okay. Now, who are ancestors? This is a new word. Okay. This is a new word and new term for you. Ancestors. Ancestors किसको बोलते हैं? Whom we call ancestors? What is the spelling of ancestors? Everybody look carefully. What is the spelling of ancestors? ANCSTORS. Ancestors. Okay. कैसे pronounce करते हैं इसको? Ancestors. Okay. So who all are ancestors? Ancestors are the people in our family, the people who lived in our family before our grandparents. ठीक है, हमारे grandparents. अभी grandparents किसको बोलते हैं? Yes, wait. Yes, Dishant. Dishant unmute करो.
Yes, teacher.
Who we call grandparents? Okay, lots of disturbances there. Avlion. Yes, is Avlion there? Avlion unmute करो.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now tell me who are grandparents? हम grandparents किसको बोलते हैं? Who are called grandparents, बेटा? Avlion.
Grandmother.
Yes, grandmother and grandparents कौन होते हैं?
Father and mother.
Father and mother. Whose father and mother? Grandparents are the parents of our parents, right? Grandparents कौन होते हैं? हमारे मम्मी पापा के भी मम्मी पापा, right? So then who are great grandparents? Grandparents तो हम are the parents of our parents. हमारे भी मम्मी पापा के मम्मी पापा को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Grandparents. Then who are great grandparents? Who are great grandparents? Great grandparents are the parents of our grandparents. ठीक है, great grandparents किसको बोलते हैं? The parents of our grandparents. Okay, everybody understood what are who are great grandparents? So who all are ancestors? Ancestors are the family members who lived before our grandparents. मतलब हमारे grandparents के भी पहले जो लोग रहते थे हमारे फैमिली में, जो the members who were before our grandparents who used to live, they are known as ancestors. Avlion पढ़ो, read this. What is written in the on the screen?
The
people
The people
in our
our
families
families
who lived
who lived
before our
grandparents are
our
our
ancestors.
ancestors.
For example, great grandparents. Okay, देखो
For
अभी
example, grandparents.
yes. For example, now you have आपका birth year 2014 है. Okay, your birth year is 2014. Then somebody in your family member must have taken birth in the year, for example, 1947. ठीक है, जिस दिन इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस मिला उस दिन कोई आपका फैमिली मेंबर हैव टेकन मस्ट हैव टेकन बर्थ इन योर फैमिली. Okay, like then some family members must be in your family must have taken birth many years ago, like 1947 और 1938 में किसी ने आपके घर पे some people must have taken birth in your family. So that people who have taken birth years ago, आपके भी पहले पहले बहुत साल पहले जो लोग थे ना आपके फैमिली में who used to live in the year 19 years many years ago means in the 19s, in the 80s 40s 50s 60 के एरा में जो लोग रहते थे ना, जो the people who were there in the family, in your family, they are called as ancestors. Okay, हमारे भी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के पहले जो लोग रहते थे हमारे फैमिली में, द मेंबर्स हु वर द पीपल हु वर द मेंबर्स ऑफ आवर फैमिली बिफोर आवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, दे आर नोन एज एंसेस्टर्स. ठीक है. So what are ancestors? Ancestors are the people of our family who lived before our grandparents. So they can be, for example, your great grandparents can be your ancestors. Great grandparents किसको बोलते हैं? Avlion. Yes, Avlion, tell me who are great grandparents? Avlion, जल्दी बताओ, who are great grandparents? Okay. Harsh Kamble. Is Harsh Kamble there? Yes. Harsh, unmute करो. Harsh, tell me who are great grandparents? Whom we call great grandparents?
हमारे मम्मी पापा के मम्मी पापा के मम्मी पापा.
हमारे मम्मी पापा के मम्मी पापा के मम्मी. Okay, you can tell like this. It is right. Okay, but how you will tell that parents of our grandparents are known as great grandparents. Okay, the parents of our great grandparents are known as great grandparents. Okay, Harsh. Mute करो. Okay, so everybody understood who are ancestors? Ancestors are the people who lived before our grandparents. For example, your great grandparents can be your ancestors. अगर किसी के पास फोटो है ग्रेट ग्रैंड मम्मी पापा को पूछो, मेरे भी दादा दादी के मम्मी पापा का फोटो है क्या? दादा आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होंगे, उनको पूछो, दादाजी आपके पापा का फोटो दिखाओ, आपके मम्मी का फोटो दिखाओ. ओके. Okay. Now नाउ वी विल लर्न हाउ टू रीड अ फैमिली ट्री. फैमिली ट्री हम लोग ने ड्रॉ किया, हम लोग ने पिक्चर्स अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के चिपका दिए. अभी लेकिन पढ़ना कैसे, हाउ टू रीड अ फैमिली ट्री. सी, there are different levels in a family tree. Okay, there are different levels in the family tree. एकदम ऊपर at the top of the family tree ना, एकदम ऊपर at the top of the family tree, which member will come? Your grandparents or your great grandparents will come. Why grandparents and great grandparents will come at the top of the family tree? सबसे ऊपर के ऊपर फैमिली ट्री में सबसे ऊपर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स और ग्रेट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स क्यों आएंगे? बिकॉज दे आर द एल्डर्स ऑफ द फैमिली. ओके, वाई दे विल कम? क्योंकि वो सबसे बड़े हैं फैमिली में. The one who is the eldest in the family, now who is the elder in the family, his photo will come at the top. Okay, now at the bottom, सबसे नीचे family tree में कौन आएगा? In that, the children, your brother, sisters, you, children means you, your brother, sister, your cousins, all the young generation will come. At the top of the family tree, who will come? The older generation. सबसे जो पुराना जनरेशन है ना, जनरेशन समझता है? जनरेशन मीन्स the people of different age. Okay, the people of different age are known as generation. Okay, the people of different age that live in a family are known as generation. Okay, so सबसे ऊपर at the top of the family tree, who will come? The older generation will come. Okay, and at the bottom of the family tree, who will come? The younger generation. Who are the younger generation? You all. Okay, you, your brothers, sisters, your cousins, all that will come at the bottom. Bottom मतलब सबसे नीचे, family tree के सबसे नीचे level पे all the children, all the young ones of the family, will come, and at the top your grandparents, great grandparents, all this family members will come. ठीक है, पहले who will come first at the top of the family tree? Your great grandparents, means your parents of your grandparents. Then below that, who will come? Your grandparents. उसके नीचे क्या आएगा? Your grandparents. पहले सबसे पहले ऊपर फैमिली ट्री में किसका फोटो आएगा? आपके अगर आपके पास ग्रेट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का फोटो है तो वो आएगा. अगर नहीं है, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का फोटो है, then that will come. Okay, below grandparents, who will come? Which family member's photo will come? Your parents' photo will come. Okay, your parents' photo will come. If you have uncle and aunt, then their photo will come. Okay, so at the level 3 पे किसका फोटो आएगा? आपके पेरेंट्स का फोटो आएगा. बिलो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, हाँ, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के नीचे आपके मम्मी पापा का फोटो आएगा. योर मम्मी पापा's फोटो will come. Your uncle aunt's photo will come. Okay, then below your parents' photo, whose photo will come? You and your siblings' photo will come. Siblings means the brother and sister. If you have brothers and sisters, then their photo and your photo will come below your parents' photo in a family tree. Okay, and beside you, आपके बाजू में किसका फोटो आएगा? Your cousin's photo will come. ठीक है, बिलो अंकल एंड आंट, जहां पे अंकल एंड आंट का फोटो डाला है ना, उसके नीचे किसका फोटो आएगा? योर कजिन्स फोटो विल कम. So like this we can see how each family member is sharing the relationship. Which relationship is shared by the each family member? For example, see, this is whose family tree it is? It is Dipti. There is a girl named Dipti. Her family tree is there. She has drawn her family tree. Okay, now how we will understand who is Dipti? Dipti is she is Dipti, right, with the blue frock. Okay, now we can identify who is Dipti's great grandparents. They are at the top. See, these are the Dipti's great grandparents. Okay, then where are Dipti's grandparents? Below great grandparents, below Dipti's great grandparents are the grandparents. Okay, then where are Dipti's parents? Dipti's parents are below Dipti's grandparents. दीप्ति के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के फोटो के नीचे कौन किसका फोटो है? दीप्ति के पेरेंट्स का फोटो है. ठीक है. नाउ वेयर आर दीप्तिज अंकल एंड आंट? बिसाइड्स दीप्ति के पेरेंट्स के बाजू में these are Dipti's uncle and aunt. Okay, these are Dipti's uncle and aunt. Then where is Dipti's brother? Can everybody see Dipti's brother? Can anybody identify where is Dipti's brother? Yes, this is Dipti's brother. Dipti के बाजू में who is there? Dipti's brother. He is Dipti's brother. Then where are Dipti's cousins? Yes, where are Dipti's cousins? These are Dipti's cousins. Okay, ये कौन है? ये दीप्ति के कजिन्स है. कजिन्स हुआ कजिन्स. हम कजिन्स किसको बोलते हैं? यस, श्लोक 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 अनम्यूट करो. श्लोक कामले.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, who are cousins? Whom we call cousins?
Uncle के बेटे.
Uncle aunt के children, right? The children of our uncle and aunt are known as cousins. Okay, mute Shlok. Good. Okay, everybody understood how to read a family tree? At the top level of the family tree, who will come? The elders, जो सबसे बड़े हैं आपके फैमिली में. Okay, they will come. Means your grandparents, your great grandparents. Then below that, below your grandparents and great grandparents, who will come? Your parents will come. Your uncle and aunt will come. Okay. Then below your uncle, below your parents, who will come? You will come. You, your brothers, sisters, they will come. And below your uncle and aunt, who will come? Your cousins will come. So like this we read a family tree. ऐसे family tree को पढ़ा जाता है. And like this it is drawn. एकदम top में, एकदम ऊपर आप किसको रखोगे? आपके grandparents को, आपके great grandparents को रखोगे. ठीक है. उसके नीचे कौन आएगा? आपके पेरेंट्स आएंगे. आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के नीचे कौन आएगा? आपके पेरेंट्स आएंगे. एंड हु विल कम? योर अंकल एंड आंट विल कम. ओके, below your parents, who will come? Below your parents, you will come, your brother will come, your sister will come. Okay, and below your uncle and aunt, who will come? Your cousin's photo will come. So like this we draw a family tree. ऐसे family tree को draw किया जाता है. एकदम ऊपर में आप एकदम elder जो है, सबसे बड़ा जो है family का, उसको रखोगे. और एकदम नीचे किसको रखोगे? जो एकदम young है, the young ones of the family, they are at the bottom of the family tree. And who are the elders in the family tree? They are at the top of the family tree. Okay, now why there is a need of family tree? क्यों जरूरत है ड्रॉ करने की family tree? हम लोग फोटो भी तो देख सकते हैं. हम लोग बोल सकते हैं मम्मी पापा को, ठीक है मम्मी पापा फोटो दिखाओ, हमें हमारे दादाजी का फोटो दिखाओ, दादी जी का फोटो दिखाओ. Show us the photo. We will recognize who is our grandparents, who is our. Will you able to recognize who is your grandparent, who is your grandmother? There are some who will not able to recognize. Who is from this photo? Who is my grandfather? Who is my I am not able to recognize. So that's why a family tree is made, so that we will able to come to know about our grandparents and also our ancestors. Kabhi, there must be some people who have never met their great grandparents. ऐसा कोई है जिसने अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के भी पेरेंट्स को देखा हो? Lucky ones will, there will be some lucky ones who must have seen their grandparents parents also, right? In real, nobody, I think so, nobody must have seen grandparents के भी parents को देखा हो. नहीं हो it hardly happens, right? So because to know our पास्ट जनरेशन मतलब हमसे भी पहले जो लोग रहते थे हमारे फैमिली में, टू नो देम वी कैन मेक अ फैमिली ट्री. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई द फैमिली ट्री इज मेड, टू नो अवर एंसेस्टर्स एंड टू नो अबाउट अवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. जैसे हमें मालूम पड़े हमारे भी पहले, हमारे पेरेंट्स के भी पहले, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के भी पहले कौन लोग रहते थे, हमारे कौन थे हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स. To know that, we need to draw a family tree. So why family tree is important? Why there is a need of family tree? To help us know about our grandparents, and also to help us know about who were our ancestors. Okay, okay, beta. Okay, now everybody ओपन टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर, सब लोग अपना टेक्स्ट बुक खोलो, टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 10. ओके, पेज नंबर 10 of your textbook. See, there is a small exercise given. सबने खोला? ओपन टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 10 of your textbook, EVS textbook part 1, page number 10. See, there's one small exercise is given.